Hi there, my name is Sean Fowler and I would like to welcome you to Volume 2 of Substance Painter 2019 All Levels. In this course, we'll be exploring in depth not only in learning Substance Painter, but give the opportunity into practicing as well as creating your own unique texturing styles with a hands-on approach to utilizing the supplied models you see before you. We'll start off by covering some of the basics in Substance Painter regarding UI, fill, and paint layers, as well as masks, generators, and how to edit and manipulate them through a variety of tools to obtain the necessary looks you need for any newcomers. After that, we'll dive deep into the concepts such as stenciling and provide you some custom height maps to get you started, and together we'll explore Substance Painter's library shelf and demonstrate how to utilize paint layers for decaling normal maps and explain how to add those details into the procedural mask generators. In addition, we'll go over Substance Painter's built-in renderer iRay and demonstrate how to produce an industry-standard render shot, and finally show how to explore the textures, how to be plugged into a game engine such as Unity. Now, it is my hope that by the end of this course, not only will you have a comprehensive understanding in Substance Painter's workflow, but also have developed a foundation understanding in how to forge your own unique texturing styles as well. So, without further ado, let's get started.